StraightonX is a historic breakthrough, the first private, fully indigenous rocket in Nigeria and West Africa. Built without government or foreign funding, it achieved powered flight of 1.04 kilometers, with a verified 3-kilogram payload capability. Precision propulsion, advanced flight electronics, mission-grade recovery. A demonstration of exceptional aerospace engineering on Nigerian soil. StraightonX sets the foundation for extended-range systems, guided platforms, and future scientific research and innovation. Nigeria no longer observes global aerospace innovation. We build it, we launch it, and we rise with it.
Two, one, fire.
What is required now is the mandate to scale, with discipline, vision, and national purpose.